Hey Dal, thanks again for sharing your writing. I really enjoyed this piece, as usual. Your voice really shined through, and I love that about you. It's gone through all semester with this, so I love it. I highlighted this just because I totally agree. I loved the fact that this course, we had to do these screencasts and got the opportunity to collaborate more on a personal level with our peers, and I just think it really helped with the feedback side to our writing. Down here, I just wanted to make a note off to what you had said about me helping you, and I appreciate all your help too. Like I said, in connecting back, I think it was a lot easier face-to-face to really hear peers' feedback and be able to communicate like that, so it really helped. Like I said, I really liked the piece. The only thing I said here is I wonder if you had made some connections from how you've changed as a writer and what you've learned from this class more, and kind of connected it to how you're going to implement it in your future teaching with your students, just to kind of tie up the teaching of writing aspect of it as well. But other than that, it was very good, and I really enjoyed working with you this semester, so thank you.